Mother robin worked diligently to build its nest, lovingly for its tiny offspring. In this video, we can see the babies are peacefully chirping along with their mother. But nature, on the other hand, can be harsh, and today a cunning crow has set its eyes on the defenseless robin babies. The crow seizes the chance to make its move as soon as the mother leaves. Crows are renowned for their cunning and ingenuity, making them dangerous predators in the avian world. The crow steals 2 robin babies from the nest in an instant, leaving the remaining 2 youngsters distraught. The crow flies away with its stolen supper, securing an important supply of food for itself and maybe its brood.